Hello and welcome back to the part 3 of the Amplified tutorial series. Today we'll be covering the services and responsibilities of Amplified. So we can quickly go over the responsibilities, which will be basically answering the question, what is your role in Amplified? And those consist of managing the pages, writing blogs, gathering feedback, um, managing social media, stuff like that. But do not worry, you're not alone. You will have a team of people to help you. So each of you guys can split up the tasks how you need to. Um, for example, research can be a different person managing the pages on the community tabs, also writing blogs, collecting feedback, stuff like that. Now we can move on to the services and how you'll use them to fulfill the responsibilities. So quickly, we can head over here to the browser, Google Chrome. This one's preferred just because of the services that we're using, so if you don't have Google Chrome, make sure you're on Google Chrome. I guess since we're already here, this first service we can talk about is email. So basically you'll be in charge of the Woodbridge Amplified email. Basically just going through sending emails to people that you need to, sending notifications to people, clearing out the email every week or every other day. The next service is GitHub.com. So GitHub is just basically a platform that allows multiple developers to come together and work together on things. You will be given this account, the WSHS Amplified account. You'll be given the credentials to that, and you can simply just click on the only repository that you're going to have in this one, which is the Amplified repository. So here you can see Woodbridge Senior High School Amplified, and then it gives you the link to our website, which we reviewed in our last video tutorial. You're basically looking at the website now. This here is all the files that make the website do what the website does. You cannot directly edit them here, which is why we're going to be using another service in a minute. But this is where you'll be able to see all the commits, branches, and how many people are contributing to it. You can also see a few tags, school, students, future of education, Woodbridge, stuff like that. Scroll down, and then you can see a little README file here. So you'll be kind of understanding how all this goes when you start editing things. But yes, this is GitHub. You'll be logging into here to make updates, but that's about it. C9.io, that's the next service. This is where you'll actually be editing the website. This one here is also connected to, here's the account. It's also connected to the email, and it's connected to our GitHub account. So this GitHub, you can sign into C9. If we sign out here, you can sign in. See the little GitHub logo? This is the GitHub logo. It's a little cat that has octopus tentacles there. So you can log in using GitHub, and there we go. So you're going to hit open. This is the WSHS Amplified repository, which was this file structure here is a repository. That's what it's called. And all we did was clone it. So it just basically duplicated it and put it here. So then we can open it and edit it. And this is the tab that opens when you want to edit the website. So we're going to give that a second to load up. This usually takes a little while. This is called a workspace. So this is where you'll be doing all your editing and the updates to the website. So down here you have a little terminal screen. This is where you'll be doing all the git commands, which we'll go over soon. Here are all the files. So all these files are the same ones that are in the repository, in the original one. So like I said, it just became duplicated and copied over into here. So this is where you'll be editing the website. The next thing we can take a look at is the Woodbridge Amplified Twitter page. So here you'll be tweeting out let's head over to our profile here. Basically we'll be tweeting out the blogs, spotlights, any special events that are going on. Not that many, but just a few. A new blog, promoting, just retweeting and liking things that are going to be all about Amplified and about our cause and what we stand for. So that's basically our Twitter page. You'll also be managing our Facebook, which is not up yet, and perhaps a Snapchat, but that may come later. But for now, Twitter, C9, and GitHub. And those are all the services that you'll be using. And we'll go over each one individually when we're doing the certain things that require them. For example, creating a new blog will require C9 and GitHub as well. And then also when creating a new blog, you have to do research, which will involve Twitter and polls and stuff like that, and we'll go over all that. But today we're just giving you an overview of the services and responsibilities. So catch you in the next tutorial.